Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel where we delve into the fascinating world of English grammar. Today we have an exciting topic in store for you, adverbs. Adverbs play a crucial role in adding depth and details to our sentences. Before we dive into the different categories of adverbs, let's understand what adverbs are. Simply put, adverbs are words that modify or describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They provide information about how, when, where, and to what extent an action occurs. Let's explore some examples to make this concept clearer. First, we have adverbs that describe how an action is performed. These are called adverbs of manner. They answer the question, how? Let's take a look at some examples. She sings beautifully. He drives carefully. They danced gracefully. In these examples, beautifully, carefully, gracefully describe how the actions are performed. They give us more information about the manner in which the actions happen. Next, we have adverbs that describe when an action occurs. These are adverbs of time. They answer the question, when. Let's check out a few examples. I'll meet you later. They arrived early. She always wakes up late. Here, later, early, late tell us when the actions take place. Adverbs of time help us understand the timing of an event. Moving on, we have adverbs that describe where an action occurs. These are adverbs of place. They answer the question, where. Take a look at these examples. They looked everywhere. The cat jumped onto the table. We explored outside. In these examples, everywhere, onto the table, and outside provide information about the location or place of the actions. Now let's discuss adverbs that describe the extent or degree of an action. These are adverbs of degree. They answer the question, to what extent? Here are a few examples. The coffee is extremely hot. He is quite tall. She almost missed the train. In these sentences, extremely, quite, almost tell us the intensity or level of the action. Let's understand what adverbs of frequency are. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often an action occurs. They provide information about the frequency or regularity of an event. They answer the question, how often? Let's delve into some examples to make it clearer. She always wakes up early. They never go to the beach. He sometimes eats ice cream for dessert. In the above sentences, always, never, and sometimes tell us how often the action happens. Now that we have covered the different categories of adverbs, it's time for a little challenge. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any concept, so give it your best shot. You can either answer the questions in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned on the screen. We will be thrilled to see how well you do. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on English grammar. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring. See you soon. Bye-bye.